Viewers, let's begin with the big story of the day. Is the Singham of BJP, Annamalai, all set to quit the party? There have been speculations that he is upset with the party, and today he's in the national capital meeting the BJP top brass to decide his future course of action. Sources say that Annamalai feels that he has been wronged by the party. In fact, we are breaking updates now coming in. We're given to understand that Annamalai, who is in the national capital, is also likely to meet the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The time for the meeting has been changed due to some other prior commitments of Amit Shah, but Annamalai is in the national capital, and next he is expected to meet the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The question is, will Annamalai quit or not? Because sources say that he is not happy with the kind of role that he has within the BJP currently, and he feels that he has been wronged by the party. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Pragya, what next? There are indications that Annamalai is clearly not happy with the BJP. What are the efforts that the BJP is making to try and retain him in the party?
Well, there are many options as far as BJP is concerned, but first and foremost, BJP will tell him that this is not a way how cadre and also the leaders behave in the party. But having said that, he is a charismatic leader in Tamil Nadu, and there is no two ways about it, and BJP also knows about it. Annamalai has been upset with the party for many months now, and in fact, he has made it very clear when he did not appear in the committee meetings of the party that have been called by the senior leaders as well. Having said that, this is a time where Annamalai can air the grievances. He can vent out the anger as well. He is very upset. He has made it very clear to the party high command. He has met Mr. B.L. Santosh and Nitin Nabin in the morning, and we are given to understand that he is likely to meet Mr. Amit Shah very soon. And he is going to fly back to Chennai soon after this particular meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah. But having said that, BJP also understand that Annamalai is a man and a leader with different ideas, and that he had certain ideas as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. BJP is also likely to accommodate him in the organization with big posts and also in the ministry. That is up to Annamalai also, and that is up to the BJP. How much BJP can bend for Annamalai, and how much Annamalai is convinced and also get convinced by the party, and also in a way accept what party offers him. This is also a sort of negotiations that may take place between Annamalai and the party, and we are given to understand that the meeting with Mr. Amit Shah is going to be very crucial. Annamalai is non-committal as far as breaking away with the BJP is concerned. He has not made a single statement saying that I am breaking away, because someone who is very upset, angry, being a social media influencer and also a very big leader on the in the state as far as BJP is concerned, he could have said everything on the social media itself, but he chose to come to the BJP top brass leadership and discuss this out, and at least air the grievances that he had. And also there should be consensus in how he part ways if he decides to do that, and if he didn't get whatever he wanted, and if BJP could not give him what he wanted. So all of what he wants. In fact, this is basically a very crucial, sensitive phase right now, because BJP also do not want to let Annamalai go. They also need him in the party. There is no two ways. BJP also agrees that he is a leader with charisma, and but there are certain ways in which organization functions, and which is to take everyone together, and there are alliances also to which Annamalai had opposed. So one single man cannot just upset whole the organizational framework.
So you're saying that the BJP is aware that Annamalai is very popular and they do need him in Tamil Nadu. He's a charismatic leader and BJP has performed well under his leadership. But the BJP is also clear that he can't be issuing such diktats to the party, and they want every leader to behave like a karyakarta.